Why they say nyamene here?
I'm talking the light.
Was
a survival of the fittest.
Mentiasi.
E ba chomo be kwa monko me ba. Why? Ba musia me kwa homa no so na fei. Ye ne enu aba e cha atwetwe koma e cha akopiem e wo Achimota preparatory na e de na ekoso wo ho. E cha mutumi nka asomdwe nka wana pay.
Meje so asompa.
Na Achimota preparatory e de na ekoso wo.
Tiki e de obepiem wo Achimota preparatory school aha ye butu. Nyina ne se awofo e kyerese. Ofori so boso me da tosko aduasa e wa fimpinu ne aduno ba komo. E mo fra no fam 3 no e kyerɛ mock exams. One mo ho obehu se aposifa okrokro tuo be abionu. Aba sukumu wono. Wonante se ene sani a wosi BS ene municipal director of education. Wo okai ko North Assembly na asoma wo no mo. Se take over abai person will take you over preparatory school no. Na one mo eba beye wo bra mo fra no kyerɛ exam na empathy ka ko me je no ko no e ja wo foni bi wa hanum sei me ne one mo be twetwe nkomo na jinsi a ene one mo apensem ko hia mo yi one man kasa e de otuga
Echa me ba cha answer na woni awofo no be twetwe nkomo no school no say wan ase ne hye GS person am take you over
school no say a private school say ya kasa ya.
Oh, okay.
I'm say PTA, and a private school. So, it's a month after I buy person will take you over. I was only a church for any PTA. At nothing. And Sana, what you mean, whatever GS say, assembly our course. I caught some more kind. So, bet me up a first school, no, Eddie Society, one more air cannon. Then so I will phone to say was a one more, and I will phone at nothing. I don't know if I find one number for so. Every school no emra and answer one more. I take you over school no.
I mean, but
dia e ya bia one number tia so.
E ba cho anyam bia omo de court crack bia bre school na tre say court assess GS and take you over school no.
So mo fa court crack bia awofo ne say BPA say omunya court crack bia.
Echa ma minja ma na ni awofo ne ntwetwe nkomo mfa mo sem ntu.
Papa mo akwa baba adum TV. Yenhwe. And now mobile your press conference. Monantis yankasa ne say.
Nantis yana say nia DES say aban so ogi school no. Ye bonyo so. Na nye sa na ye di ade. Na so big ade na sa ade ofa otu ne hu kra na say ye wodi a. Eya na ye sa ka say bra be kire say ne say sa ade ye wodi a ansa na waje. Na sales me nyaade bi kwa wo fom ana obetum say na o tati say wo bo me say wo ji ade na me so no me nya no ho ntia ase sa say ya wodi ase me nyanti a say ya wodi ana say nyanti a wo ji ade
Entisa na mo be na mo pese mutu
ana mo ye pese ye to say ye pese ye to ne say ye ni say nia ji ye no enya ban enya court bia na man krata me nim say mo ye nsentrefo say court e ma obi timi so onye ade a aka wutu bia ho no a obe ho ahyansu die bebre ye dia fam ho tese so person obi sa de no ho sema bisa so nesi ana tese si ana ya dan ya de na ma so nesi no so obenten na so anya bia wo ba ha no ho bibisa mi ya ba wo ho bibisa na tese mi GS na no party fo bi na sha ban sha omati na etiatia wom se omunya ni omuye no no munja asase no empendi omo dwuma na nya ye nkola no ho na ehia wom sa nkola no ho na ehia wom a soja fo atu amene wom be school no mu pam nkola exam enye say ya wuko no nkola exam now a police for tuo architect ni akode pam boy class ade ye wo Rwanda na ana ye wo Iraq
yo la tsa sampa de kwaso no ya ne awufo ni bi so ba kwaso akasa
me bacha
baba adum
okay
na mo ba ye mo fa no ebi hu na bi ase wo no mu
hu de bu nkola ni pa e bi da nkola e tro mo fi wa odo mi wa ya wo ka ba so police be gu ha no e ba ngba fi kwa no ya na ka so an go be so go mu tin ko chiro na nkola ki tin ki su ya de mo nya so president do mi e ko so mo ni ya so president e tan kwa me ba ko sai tu ze na man pa ni ba ko sai tu na me ba ko sai tu e je o pa oni un na no
asempa na kese de ekoso ewo Achimota preschool
ba chawo papa yo kasa ye nka fa ne to ahoma no so ma me misa no question mark me no bi
me ba cho yo
hello eja Ejampacho, Medindia Sempa, Bodin Chemicacra.
We didn't know from one.
Yo, me bacha woka a PTA home.
Make a home me money in the
Oh, okay. And you know, school no management, they say why they manage school no?
School no the first one I was. Now headmaster didn't know. But they say how changing a new administration. But they say we do the course. Who are near the local dine? Who are near the
me bacha school no must a private school.
Actually, what's up to school?
Okay. And
private, yes.
A private school. It's a private school, be our Anna. Until a wine dear.
Oh, I said PTA, your parents are teachers.
And the PTA, no, more than Shamasi.
Yeah,
school no mona mo found here, mona musi. Me bachana me bizaze school no mwana mo found here mona musi yana. Me bacho entity school PTA tete nana starting school nana. Yo we jam bacho body chemi.
Okay.
Me bacho opposition.
Me part of the PTA.
But oh yeah, PTA executive.
Me PTA member.
PTA member. Yeah. But John Bessa yeti bi ase kakra. School no, why mo na chichire school no? As you say ya Achimota preparatory no.
School no fi ase de. A teacher for na no mo try de wo Achimota college no abrofo no. Omo yire no ena e decide say omo nya baby ampo e from made. Enti nipa ba ko no e fi school na say e won e garage. Ena ada ma omo around omo ku omo ma be kan. Yo mo re na nkola na e force. Ena omo be head of Achimota College no. Ena governor na kaka ma omo say omo fa enyo. This na school na atwa ena abofo no kwa no mo hand over to Ghana for na no for ha teacher for no mo shade wa. It is school no dey enya ban na see here. Ena enya ban dia. Enya ban na ban no wa dey school we da. Right.
Me ba to school no.
Yeah, was regarding problem, infrastructure, refurbishment, whatever. Yeah, teacher for any parent of the case, your problem down here. Yani sister for the.
Me bacho enti abayin first kebian be rare muda.
Abayin capre in school.
Enti se say no PTA mwana mo manage.
Yani manage.
Enti abayin fi here or say oba beji school no.
Omo fi asese asase abayin asase.
Jim FM.
E bacho asase na school ni sisi no. Achimota school asase.
Achimota school asase.
Ana Achimota school ya abayin school.
Achimota school ya abayin school.
Enti abayin se asase na sisi no nti no na oba beji.
Ya noa
na Ada na monim se asase ne ya bind ya na deda da bianka montoye knowing very well say mo ana mo manage school no.
There was how to say school ya wa time since over 70 years school ya wa I obia meka ye running the school fine almost running on school fine. There hasn't been any need to say obia wants to own this land for anything but to educate children. And if you have the option of bringing your children here, you bring your children here and then they get trained.
Yes, I understand that very well. But the school no, mona mo manage. School no so si obi asase so. And mo make any effort say asase na esiso no. Money asase ra bedi nkomo na bedi mo side. And I mo make effort na anya ye.
There's been attempt of Washington School to reclaim this land for a while. It has been fortunate.
they go for map of before who court near there. Ruling or map ruling say as I said, the family you as much or more.
So it means a court ruling assassin Achimota school there.
Who court
but who court ruling behind
who court Rick Dia Emo Friday or Moja police for it.
But your man requested for the court ruling no now man farmer.
Oh, well, it hasn't been necessary because Omona ruling. Omona is normal effect. The Omona
yes, but at least most of them school see so. Said yeah, Marcofa police for near a soldier for Abbey William Colley. At least Nkamobe requested for the ruling. Some of us are
me sure one yes, actually restraining order so yeah request for restraining order to defend.
But as
we are not I mean we don't like what is going on.
But
our parents people are not aware of the efforts of court.
As it stands now, that is sad dear, Nasa assassin ya bind there. It means ya bind Bejin assassin ma from school. Money be coin.
Asempa. If you are making a mobile shop here, I am some people in
Okay.
If you pay our near cafe, was streaming Chakra.
Me pacho you.
The business will be ano.
Me pacho.
The banner escape on
Mate, me pacho de chigwa maso fabra. Why? Right, I'm here for nature cement. Me want say across Achimota Preparatory School. And I would say, and what joining a higher Dom 106.3 FM. I was here, Monfani uncle. Maybe I doing them some fan Mako until the end of the fiasia.
Yeah, na. Shasi are not sure, Bana.
Nkratano.
Yeah,
Monshengum.
Be Mamifa we shasi because there is an interesting story be The National Enquirer.
Okay.
Do Bokrata and Amikuta wa say. Na Ghana man penyi dada. John Dramani Mahama.
Okay.
On said Rani Didier, Muside.
Yeah, World Press Freedom Day.
Press Freedom Day.
Yeah.
It is a yen central for ye benya ye freedom. Nia ye juma, nia kan yasem. A obi an kan ye kasa boan hye yem. Obi an huna ye. Obi an mo ye ntrene. Eno ho de na eno ayi. Ana man panyi dada. E kasa no che sa ban we no oteso ne de. Asa wo kasa no anhwa no yi a. Na ye bibie wo ho. Eti Ghana man panyi na dan kwakufu ato. Wanyi ntum no wontra se. Na wo man krofo kwan san say yan criticize wo kra no a. Wo chia se bi wo twa sanim te na chia. Yen sentrofo ya ka bi wo me na ebetumi anya ano. Ni aka ni aputi wo on their feet. Eti ne man panyi ene won lazy me no shoe mu. Na criticism se beba nyina no. One accepting a good faith, no one trust it, no more so. They also may Magana for Kuma, a Tom Yabuno, one young family. Now, the National Enquirer, no, double quarter, and be kitano, the quarter fight also me. I could be waha. Her nan no routine. Now, shall call a young fish, now,
why they at the end of the crowd, no clutches, and
clutches.
Are they about to say? Oh,
now, Nina said. Akoda no nam kwan ho wo ko school wo ko hia nkwanhia enem re bebia yadu so o maya school kora nkora ense da nya baby papa ntene
carbon no
eno nya nkwanhia no nya nkwanhia sanse ne nana eno ne netie yese ne maame ne papa no e papa free mu eno oba na akọ ware foforo no mama mre ne amane mu no e wa tifiri mantem ho no ya na nkoda ne ye mema no dia enti oba ne kọ wade no wo se wo gya akoda no ema bema na ema maame ne papa which is nkora ne nana no titama nkwanhia ne ba asa no na sika ni fie tie no mo de tenetena du nsini hwa no mo de adu chechechire wi asna ne na na pro no mo de kopie mo hospital na mpanifo hu se de adu de nyi so mu twa na wo mu atwa akoda mfie nsia obekuta clutches ya to God knows when ya obefiri mu a na so bedro no se abusua so omu hia moa omu hia moa papa omu hia mo na nton mansire no emu e wati fudu mantem ni mu na kroni din no ekroni din wo hu
adukumi betimi abo ne nanfo wana fo me blentino
BALSHIE
Ose Ewahefa. Oh, you are how? Rebecca Nantoma. Oba Machibe no 9.
Monfre Aisha. Aisha be bo amaye. Aisha.
Rebecca Nantoma be.
Aisha wadani asantini.
Adabi o Aisha be. Stella kakra bakra Aisha be bo amaye. Aisha be bo amaye.
Baoshi community.
As Aisha wa ha na wo bebre.
Aisha wa ya dani asantini.
Aka una say no kra na. You don't find sa.
Eti mo atifidu mantemu na ntomensiri ni mu no. Se krobu e frede se Baoshi a ho asem ne ye ka no. Henan Nuruddin akremfie 9. Se abusua no se wo mo sere mo hiamoa. Say ni artificial leg bi kra na.
And there was there was so to me.
It's a special appeal bi
I say ba kono so Hanan.
Okay.
Hanan. Okay. Hanan Nuruddin.
You be fan sa.
Okay. It we me the special ayi kwa ma otimantem ne so afo. Unipa. Otimantem so afo.
Yeah.
Yes. Oni body di nyina boy ensem maka ma panyisa say. Ye hu say omo a sebi omadi there say disability is not inability. Enti obu nyina anti yesere wontwede ni emfa nkofre Hanan e wo ye atifido mantem no emu. Na mpanimfo bi nso akasa the big one here the national inquiry anymore. Was a health danger. Ghana to receive 350,000 expiring COVID vaccines from UNICEF. And Benifo Chemua, over 1.3 million AstraZeneca ya yewo ye bi no.
Yeah.
Omo de akopiem e wo DR Congo. 4th March and omo de koye. Na Benifo bubu asese na bibrema mako nu mo cha amaye. A Ghana ka ho. Na wo mo ehwehwemu ni kiremu se Ghana ye de na ebenya na hwa ye nsa beka no. Na days akakura no bosu me na say.
Oh Zamam. Oh.
Entino UNICEF one ebeche.
Rabe do hana aspire
350,000. I say they say sabe da ka bosu me na say.
Na be ye kwa.
Ye che bebedru hana mo a. Pedifo hwe
na watwe me nu.
Ansana omo bie say me we a wo first dose no. Sana omo the second dose na my enti the national enquirer de obokrata na abosa amane kumi.
Yafa crusading guide obokrata enfanto aso the new crusading guide obokrata no. The idea benie was here Kufuado freezing salary increment. You know, say empanyufo a woman no man no wada no mampanyini na bedi echire asoafo na namusifo wo bia mampanyini ato ne safro se bra na beboa ne bia no yaseme hwa ni musa afi wei akatua ntumu beba mampanyini so de ahye fridge mu wa freeze no wo de ahye fridge mu ni nyina ne se COVID-19 eko a yesu ai no mampanyini se sika na nko mo de beto o maketua so no wo de kwa kuwuram na afa ye de COVID-19 ene de obokrata aye friends said the new crusading guide and wo de hon sama ba no na wo hwe hanso a o se 18 FDA approved homeopathic medicines introduced into the Ghanaian market and won some e wo ha yesi homeopathy e kwan ye fa so sayare abefo kwan ye fa so sayare se die abode e wo man mu omundro ni bia ba montea Ewrade adom FDA for age e de atum na Dr. Michael Chemate C4C wona na down no wo panyine yesiri ndro ne ka pa amende ndro ni bia wode ba montea FDA for age e de atum se ye no se de be ye betimi de asa ye ho yare ntie ne de obokrata the new crusading guide ensem bi ka we hu what wants to about Montreal with me at all, no I can be.
Abusia, Emrenaso, Momraso, and Emrenaso.
I'm for chronicle, dear Fiawe,
a batch of Fia Bonito, mammy.
And Penny Fonse, I'm not Judy from Cocoso. I won't care Pumpuni Mantem, I say. Now I'm Penny for her crime, Befaswa. You see, car choir war. And one more to come PM or may more companies or to go to know. A home for so you bet him there, my knee. Nampanifobia Castle, what is said, dear and Sakan. At the said, you would do Dama Hana rent.
I some more.
Yeah, dear gold. At said, you do die Ama High. Yes, you're running for your men walk more. Says you can bet my young for so dear Maya. Seven so do Dama Hana 30 years. Amphibia major 1,000 Ghana. I some. Nipa ne tena mudu mebe hu ni se nkrofo sisi adamo no bedu mebe go value ni baba form eti panifo hye na santemawura otufo se tu abebi na nanso onsem finhye aduonu mienu on the throne 1999 bepem 2021 na
mnim se obekokra o
o se
amnim se obekwa akofasi
am I invite me say kumi
so omonya nwie you
so bugu so
atoma
so tira ba ne
yebeko ntia wi on
mongo fast
nene mamenchia supply cool limited
okay
penyim power the buy not Hitler brooch memu
right
and was kuntuhane na icha na kunti wabebie car servicing shop ye mpotemo a Israel police station animu pe
okay
ho na wonti no wo do na man wo twafa wo kwa so wo ne anoche aba no
ya mebe
case that ubodi o asempa no sorry wa pampe
ya mebe
onya wo de